Madrid sensing into way na Yemrefi, a medifi common.
Always. For me, an issue of success on. There were a lot of friends, but failure. A page curtains are any carpet nasi fin. I'm any Pierre Bunting. My main case mention this season on Sanka Barcelona called trophy lesser. People would have questioned the decision Inigo Martinez across Saudi Arabia, and they would have gone straight to Juan Laporta and said that was a bad decision. Whatever it took, now Sanka Oye na Omar Branti and stay. This season, Sanka Barcelona called trophy lesser. People would have raised the issue, say, "Ya catch him, Mr. Lewandowski." He said, "Why emre? Mumfu bimra. Matnatina huama nuoma nkoye." But once you get relative success, issues I war no. Once the capital sasso. Obiampon say adiboni bi o team nim. Enti the same thing at Real Madrid. Madrid ain't used to going 2 seasons trophyless on Yeshe. Omunye used to Sadiano. And you will expect and comfort to get agitated, raise issues in here there. Now, the environment be a KG, na obi a PBB to blame. You need to be careful how you operate within this environment. That is the reason why Kylian MBAPPÉ has become a subject of the failure. And as a Utiena, was a club na faili. But on Tiasia the on a point, it is because time a club no a G2 muso ma faili no. A year evidence that Real Madrid are going trophyless no. Everybody no be a pro be a blame no. And what didn't buy. And then the man who came out in buy was that he sought permission in the crisis mood to go on vacation with a girlfriend. Esther Esposito. Look,
Madrid
yet say Nhyira sports go into crisis. And your man fa, you see your listenership conform, your client are pulling out. Say, be able to be I am fa. Within that time, say if I go to the HR office and say, Sister Bambesa, me call 1 month leave. I am telling you, nobody in the sports team will be happy. Say, that time we need all hands on deck. We need to show a certain level of commitment, even within the failure. And unti Kylian MBAPPÉ decision says that time na or call vacation Italy with a girlfriend Esther no. And your Real Madrid fans in Guanedao players no sujaye. Players no sujaye. That time we pan ye here be a concentration on the team. Niempe kwa yebe so yebe jojo supporters na kuma. Sometimes we would who is to go with your girlfriend on vacation and go and have fun. Why? And it was an environment that is looking for someone to blame. And Kylian MBAPPÉ just threw himself at the blame.
And the timer Madrid here result no.
Yes.
They are branded TV.
Yes. When people.
At the moment me about YouTube and Short TV.
No, kese the guy no about no so.
Time Madrid here.
Madrid that time. I can't become a boy classico.
And then girlfriend.
Cover vacation. Ye Madrid the film in the Champions League. Madrid and Drew baby in the Copa del Rey. La Liga Barcelona chimu. Bibia there they say Barcelona Real Madrid or Clasico numa almost sure almost at the G League within that time Madrid supporters any abre, obi any abre, Pobi say why you function because you are fairly. Then you put yourself on the plate. Muntu chami.
Now then almost granting leave in the man.
Rich.
When we needed you.
Rich.
Results
Rich. If there is even crisis here, it will be difficult. Some because time or some percent because of family. Or the mama. And this question about timing and also in ye. That is the reason why the moment the pictures Mr. say about one thing and conformity petition. Look at the number of and conform when your mom signs our petition. They say Kylian Mbappé come yan or Real Madrid. The irony of Nkomoya Yedi and say, Rich, this season, by far, Kylian Mbappé is Real Madrid's best player. I saw around 41 goals in all competitions this season. For club and Real Madrid. Anytime we be at this season, Real Madrid were in a higher conversation. Yeah, it was because of Kylian Mbappé in the goals. But sometimes these small indiscretions, you know, and the timing, we are saying timing and rare idea, baby, no, and I confess something in our break Kylian Mbappé. Now, look at Enra, the chaos I by actually Ghana, your athletics competition, you cry. You penny or says, Beseo, Pono Modi repo votes, you know, athletes, you know, Obi and Fanny Diama, Yayani, the Ma almost organizers, none other colleagues, so can say there be Obi and the nearby. Look, Kylian Mbappé goes post match and says, oh, I believe I say me a 4th rank striker, as they say. Ne strikers are all team me toss of 4. Inti magia to intimate bench a drum is no frame and babble. Then Abeloa also goes to post match and say, "Men can't check Kylian Mbappé say, me strikers are toss of 4. In fact, now me strikers say and our toss of 4. Who is speaking the truth? We don't know. But the fact of the matter, and they say there's a lot of pressure on Real Madrid this year. If we say a common, say Florentino Perez will book media interviews. No. Unless there's pressure. And there's a lot of pressure on him. Because at the end of the day, you know, Real Madrid supporters now start to raise issues. Say, look, you're in time go 2 seasons without a trophy. See, to end there. Must we consider say Florentino Perez and Casano or Bafom in the way I will see Aaron Real Madrid and they are asking questions about the coaching decisions I want taking. Mamen Kasim Bincho. Unim say Real Madrid supporters was Spain. After the way season na corner. Not even after some more Xabi Alonso no. Still no more evidence say player power. This team ninya. They will come back to say and there's no problem ninya Xabi Alonso. But the problem why na my players in say to me na. Omuye do mu pe bia or club and they will point fingers to Florentino Perez. Won nowadays some mantra about Galacticos. And I'm a place a lot of ego. And to say Madrid got a superstar maneba. Yamani seems on a god of the team. We your coach also bring once more players, you know. The players depend also more no more ball on the mount. But in modern day football, you have to blend it and have the balance. Xabi also tried doing that. When Tinian survived the and Okoye, you know, Bibian Chesa Madrid without him. Until they will point fingers back to the press. That is the reason why he is going around doing political interviews, trying to deflect attention on also probe the assembly question and a referees and away. Look, Anka Florentino Perez there. How big are we, you know? Anka, you don't see him crumble under pressure. But Rich, on Nimpefe say the standard now has set to Real Madrid. No, it even applies to him, the El Presidento. And so I'm sure now in the next presidential election, they will vote him out. They will really vote him out. Meaning what the decision on bringing Jose, how about one in the Madrid election. But Unimbibi, there is none competitor and I say other candidate I say make any of Real Madrid candidates from over so almost standing against Florentino Perez na unmasema kama kacheni bakoso nkoka say a political campaign. Kokachan go for say for intro press or the Joseph Baba or a Tuabamo or the jogging club Baba. You do whatever it takes to bring jogging club.
And a better man for
I'm
you.
telling you, say politics. Obama went to me, you are already in power. Me try
Pray. So what is a club now? Now the Joseph.
The Madrid fans will vote for who says he will bring club. Yes, because they need a big revolution. Be with him. Fifi always says Madrid will play in Barcelona. I don't agree with him, but like a debate, a 50-50. What it means is that Real Madrid enya a coach bia or yeah there is a Hansi Flick. Now obeti me I'm a players no a little bit of freedom, obe show him a little bit of love, but he will still insist on organizational play, structure, and in your tactically discipline is anomana. Madrid will be great. Enje.
Okay.
So they will need that bit no.
MFA.
Unya dia ensemble bebre o. Ensemble do so.
Team there. The moment I resolve them, and the queen,
people will have raised issues of Inigo Martinez while we allow him to go. People would have raised those issues. But the moment you have relative success, most are kata no man getting.
Yet also, na yem fefisem and mamo. Anna Ghana.